So, this is what inside the loot bag for my sister's gift. So, yan, Rosie's Vanity, lotion, serum, BB cream. I also gave her this one. This one is the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Blush. Mestiza soap, the Healthy Skin soap. Yan. And then, two-way cake powder, which I totally love. And they're famous and my favorite, the Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade brown. And then this one, 3 of this, the Eye White Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita, and a sweet note from Notera. From this one, Notera. So, yan! Good afternoon! Today is August 21. Yes, I know the date for today because it's my sister's birthday. And I'm wearing yellow kasi it's Ninoy Aquino Day. Kasi holiday din ngayon. So, it's Friday, TGIF Friday. My top is from Clothes Buffet Manila. Yan yun. Yung yellow na may sequins. Ayan. So, having dinner here at Natsa. And guess who's here? The birthday celebrant. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Saan? Hi, Kuya Roy. Hi, Daddy. Dad. Mama. Hi. Yan. And we're having this soup. G, happy birthday sa aming dalawa. Yes.
Anong music yan? Usam. Ha? Usam. Usam yun. Ha? Usam yun. Beef din yan, ma'am. Beef din yan. Beef bacon. Ah, beef bacon. Woohoo! Ano ba? Mabilis siya dito. Kasi manipis lang siya. Ano ito kawan? Ayun sir. Yan, ikaw bahala. Ano ba? Eh.
This is my favorite. How was it, Val? Val Mitch. First time. How was it? Good.
Babalik.
Babalik. Babalik. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Nag-surgery daw si Mama kanina. Ito ata yung sinurgery. Mukhang molar ng ngipin. Ang cute. Kawawa naman si Mommy. Wala pa daw lunch. Wala pa daw dinner. Kaya walang merienda. Kasi naipit.
Nagtatrabaho para tayo ibigay.
Yes, true. Bongga. Nakakota na siya. Ayun, boundary.
Ngayon ko nga ito, lalagyan akong brace. Parang siya anak ni Dr. Lo. Nakasunod.
We are now done having our dinner. Sobrang ma-recommend ko dito. If you want to visit this Nakchak place, it is located along Adriatico, tapat ng Figaro, tsaka ng David's House. After neto, punta kami sa Cafe Tani, which is 2 buildings away ng GMA. Dapat-dapat lang kami, kakape-kape, tsaka magde-dessert kami. And by the way, may dalawa akong viewers, yung viewers na laging nanonood sa akin. Hi Bonbon, hi Venice. Yun, matulog kayo agad pag nanonood kayo ng videos ko. Lalo ka ng Venice. Your mom is here. Papa mo. Aftermath. Then, ayan yung viewer ko. 1. Venice. Yeah. Asa si Bonbon? Aftermath. Wala na. Ubus na.
Eh, nakalabas yung hipon niya.
Ayan. Hi, Bonbon. Ayan, nandito ka na, Bonbon, Ayan namin. Mitch Baldog. Si Judy Ann, tsaka si Vin Diesel. Nakita niyo na ba ang minion? Nasaan na yung minion? Ba, 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 na, na, ba. Picture, picture. 1, 2, 3. Saka isa coffee. Coffee, coffee. Yes, coffee. Kizon's cake yan. Now, back in my studio, it's already 11:30 in the evening. Yan. Dito ako matutulog kasi may gagawin pa ako. Maglilinis pa ako ng makeup brushes. Mag-aayos ako ng mga makeups kasi may gig ako tomorrow ng hapon pa naman.